So I'll click on detect test. It gave us 0% AI GPT. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about something that is kind of wild, humanizing ChatGPT. You have probably used it in writing your essay, emails, maybe pickup lines, no judging, okay? So now the big question is, can ChatGPT actually feel human? I'm going to show you that in this video. Now first, let's ask ChatGPT to write us an essay, to write a 100-word essay on AI. Then I'll press enter. All right, now it has written this for us. All right, I'm not going to read this. I'm just going to copy what ChatGPT has written. Now let's go to keyboard AI detector. So this is keyboard AI detector, as you can see here. Keyboard. So I'm going to paste that which I copied from ChatGPT. So if you have a large document, you can come over here and upload the document. If it is just a small text, you can paste it right into the platform there. So I'm going to paste it. This is what I copied from ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on Detect AI. You can see over here it tells us 100% of text is likely AI. So here is another AI detector, which is 0GPT, as you can see there. So I'm going to paste the same text here. So here is the same text that I copied from ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on detect text here. Now we'll scroll down. You can also see here that it says your text is AI GPT generated. Okay, so what do we do? So here is the trick. You can make ChatGPT write like human by asking GPT to use words or mix words like formal and casual tones, short abrupt sentences, storytelling, and reduce grammatical mistakes. You can see over here, I wrote this, use the following information to refine the paragraph. All right, to refine the same paragraph here, mixing formal and casual tones, adding short and abrupt sentences, using storytelling instead of rigid formatting, make subtle grammatical mistakes. Now, this is what we want ChatGPT to do, and ChatGPT will rewrite this for us. Okay, so I'll click on enter. Let's hold on. ChatGPT is writing. Now it's done. We're going to go back to AI detector tools and try it out. So I'm going to copy this, go back to Qbot AI detector. Right. So I'm going to delete all of that. Okay, and paste the new text I copied. Right, and click detect AI. All right. So you can see here it detected 31%, which is fairly okay instead of the 100% it gave us initially. Right. Now let's go to the next one, which is 0GPT, and paste the same words. So I'm going to delete that and paste the rewritten text ChatGPT gave to us by humanizing it. So I'll click on detect test. Okay, now it gave us 18.91% AI GPT, which is better than the 100%. But to get around 99% or 100% non-detectable use of AI, let me take you to this next tool called Uncheck AI, Undetectable AI. So I'm going to scroll further down just to show you a few things about this particular AI. Now this is what it does. 100% like content, undetectable by most AI detectors. That's what this tool does. Okay, now look at here, GPT-0 cannot detect it. Originality AI, turn it in. This is used by most of international organizations. There's CopyLeaks, Zero GPT, Winston AI, and Qbot. All right, so let's try this tool and see if what it says is truth. Okay, I'll go back to my GPT and copy the same text, the rewritten text from my ChatGPT. Now go back to my Uncheck AI and paste it there. Now scroll down and click on Humanize. All right, so it's still busy. The output content seems to be human written. That's what it says. So we're going to check this output in AI detectable tools. So I'll select that and copy, go back to my QBot. Remember, initially it gave us that 31%. So I will delete what I have there and paste the new test and click Detect AI. Great! You see, it gave us 20%, which is not bad. Now let's go to, this was QBot. Let's go to the other one, Zero ChatGPT. Take note that it gave us initially 18%, okay? 18%. So I'm going to delete this and paste the humanized test from the uncheck AI, right? Which is there. So I'll click on Detect Test. It gave us 0% AI GPT. Now that's the trick. Now, if you do this, you will not be caught by your instructors or in the office that you use AI. That's it for this video. Copy me, drop me a comment in the section and let me know if this video helped you. The next video that comes up will show you how to save ChatGPT conversations as PDF.